In about 5 minutes, you might make $420. Earn real money instead of gift cards and get paid right now. If you possess a computer, laptop, or you can use your smartphone everywhere on the planet for this method, I'll offer you something if you watch the entire video. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel. Visit crowdfireapp.com to find out more about this website that can help you increase your income. By scrolling to the bottom of their website and clicking on affiliate/referral, you can see that they offer a unique affiliate scheme that allows you to refer individuals and earn up to $420 for each new customer you refer to this platform. You can then move on to step 2 after completing that. I'm about to reveal a really unique traffic source that has nothing to do with Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, but will help you finish the assignment in under 5 minutes. You are not compelled to follow anyone on social media or to post anything on such platforms. It's a distinctive traffic source. As you can see, this platform offers unlimited income potential and straightforward tracking and reporting. How does it function? After signing up for your referral account, getting your referral link, and spreading it using the techniques, if a user keeps using crowdfire.com, you might potentially get as much as $420 from just that one user. Click Join Now to proceed to the following page, where you must fill out the referral program registration form by either signing in with your Google account or just entering your email address. You must click Continue after providing some basic information about yourself. When you scroll down and choose a copy, you will be able to access your account and get your affiliate link. The next action is to go to Fiverr.com. On Fiverr, you won't have to sell anything. Enter Social Media Management into the search bar. Their capacity to generate additional income is constrained because they can only manage a small number of them manually, and must expend a great deal of time and effort on them. However, if they had a tool that handled everything for them, they wouldn't be limited and could make much more money with a lot less work. You can see how much money these individuals are making from it. Going back to Crowdfire memberships, you can add up to 10 social media, just $37 per month for media accounts. Using this tool, which takes care of everything for you, you may schedule posts and link up to 10 accounts. Do not fear, you will not be required to sell this service on Fiverr or in any other manner. Rather, you will be aiding people who are providing this social media management service on this website. You can help them work much less and make much more money by granting them access to the Crowdfire app tool. You will also earn referral commissions from Crowdfire. But be careful, if you simply start spamming this section with your affiliate link, Fiverr will delete your account. You will be blacklisted if all you do is try to contact the seller, push this tool, or simply keep using the same script. Avoid doing that since Fiverr will discover you are spamming and permanently ban you from the site. Additionally, you can provide them with your affiliate link so they can buy something. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button.